Greetings of the day. This is Hitesh. I hope you all are doing good. Dear students, today we will discuss some questions of addition and subtraction. But in these questions, the polynomials are given in product form. So first we have to simplify it and thereafter we will add or subtract. Okay, so let's get started. Now we will continue to exercise 9.2 question number 6 first part. Add x bracket x plus y bracket y plus z and z bracket z plus x. Okay. Now in this question the polynomials are given in product form. Okay. So first we will simplify the bracket by multiplying and thereafter we will add. Okay. So first we will simplify the first polynomial x bracket x plus y. Okay. So x multiply x, it will x square. Okay. Plus x multiply y, xy. Okay. The second polynomial is given y bracket y plus z. Okay. So y multiply y square plus y multiply z, yz. Okay, and the third expression is given z multiply z plus x, so z multiply z, z square, and plus z multiply x, xz. Okay, now we will add these polynomials. Okay, now you can see in these three polynomials there are no like terms. Okay, so it will be convenient if we will use horizontal method. Okay, so we can write like this. Now we will add. Okay, the first polynomial is given x square plus xy, plus second polynomial is given y square plus yz, and the third polynomial is given z square plus xz. Okay, so now we can write this expression or polynomial in standard form by writing the first square terms. Okay, so x square, y square and z square are the square terms, and thereafter we will write the rest of the terms. Okay, so we can write like this: x square plus y square plus z square plus xy plus yz plus zx, yeah, xz. Okay, so I think question number 6, the first part is clear to all of you. Okay. Now the second part is given. In this question we have to add. Okay. Add 3m bracket L minus m minus n, and the second polynomial is given 2n bracket m minus n minus L. Okay. Again the polynomials are given in product form. So first we will simplify. Okay, and thereafter we will add. Okay, so first polynomial is given 3m bracket L minus m minus n. Okay, so 3m multiply by L, so it will 3m L. Okay, then minus sign. 3m multiply by m, so m multiply m square, so it will minus 3m square. Okay, so now minus sign. 3m multiply by n, so it will 3mn. Okay, and the second polynomial is given 2n bracket m minus n minus L. Okay, so 2n multiply by m, so it will 2mn. Okay, minus, now 2n multiply by n, so n multiply by n square, so it will 2n square. Now minus sign. 2n multiply by L, so it will 2n L. Okay, now we will add these two polynomial. Okay, so we can use here horizontal method, because in these polynomials only the one pair is like term, only minus 3mn and 2mn, and rest of the terms are unlike terms. Okay, so now we will add. So 3ml minus 3m square minus 3mn, okay, plus 2mn minus 2n square minus 2nl. Okay. So now here minus 3mn and 2mn are like terms. Okay. So minus 3 plus 2, it will minus 1. Okay. So minus 3mn plus 2mn, it will be equal to minus mn. Okay. So we can write like this: 3ml minus 3m square minus mn minus 2n square minus 2nl. Okay. Now the question number 6 C part, subtract 2x bracket x minus 3y plus 4z from x bracket 7x minus y plus 9z. Okay. Now in this question the polynomials are given in product form. Okay. So first we will simplify the bracket by multiplying and thereafter we will subtract. Okay. The first polynomial is given 2x bracket x minus 3y plus 4z. Okay. So 2x multiply by x, so it will 2x square. Okay. Because x multiply x, it will x square. Minus 2x multiply by 3y. Okay. So first we will multiply the numerical coefficient. Okay. So 2 3s are 6 and x multiply by xy. Okay. Now we will multiply 2x by 4z. Okay. So first we will multiply the numerical coefficient. Means ki first we will multiply 2 by 4. So it will 8 and x multiply z, it will xz. Okay. Now we will simplify the second polynomial, x bracket 7x minus y plus 9z. Okay. So x multiply by 7x, so it will 7x square minus x multiply by xy. Okay. And plus sign, x multiply by 9z, so it will 9xz. Okay. So now in these two polynomials the like terms are there. Okay. So we can use column method here. Okay. It will be convenient for us. Okay. Otherwise you can also use horizontal method. Okay. It's your choice ki which method you have to use. Okay. So I am using here column method. Okay. So now subtract 2x square minus 6xy plus 8xz from 7x square minus xy plus 9xz. Okay. So first we will write the polynomial which is coming after from. Okay. So this polynomial is coming after from. So first we will write this polynomial 7x square minus xy plus 9xz. Okay. And then we will write the second polynomial below this polynomial. But we will write the like terms below the like terms. Okay. So 2x square we will write below 7x square. Okay. Minus 6xy we will write below minus xy. And 8xz we will write below 9xz. Okay. Because we are doing subtraction, so we will put here negative sign. So now in subtraction the sign of second expression will change. Okay. Now here 2x square is positive, so it will convert negative sign. Here 6xy is negative, so it will convert positive sign. And here 8xz is positive, so it will convert negative sign. Okay. So now we have to remember only these sign. Okay. Means ki 2x square is negative, 6xy is positive and 8xz is negative. Okay. So 7 minus 2, 5 and x square will remain as it is. Okay. Because when we add or subtract the like terms, so only we have to add or subtract the coefficient of like terms. Okay. And other factor will remain as it is. Okay. And here minus 1 and plus 6. So 6 minus 1, 5 x y. Okay. And here 9 minus 8, 1. So it will 1xz and 1xz we can write xz. Okay. So the answer we have got 5x square plus 5xy plus xz. Okay. Now the next part is subtract a minus b plus c minus 2 bracket minus a plus b minus c from 5 bracket a plus 2b minus c. Okay, so first we will simplify this expression. Okay, a minus b plus c bracket minus 2 bracket minus a plus b minus c. Okay, so it will a minus b plus c, remove the bracket. Okay, and here we will multiply 2 by each term of this bracket. Okay, so minus 2 multiply minus a, so minus into minus plus, and 2 multiply a, 2a. Okay, then plus, sorry, then minus plus minus, and 2 multiply b, 2b. Okay, and here minus multiply minus plus, and 2 multiply c, 2c. Okay, now we will combine the like terms. Okay, so a and 2a both are positive, so we can write like this. Okay, and here minus b and minus 2b are like terms. Okay, so we can write like this, minus b minus 2b, and c and 2c are also like terms, so we can write like this. Okay, so now a and 2a both are positive. Okay, so a plus 2a, it will 3a. Okay, and here b and 2b both are negative, so first we will add and put the common sign. Okay, so minus 2b and minus b, it will minus 3b, and c plus 2c, it will 3c. Okay, and the second polynomial is given 5 bracket a plus 2b minus c. Okay, so simplify this bracket. So 5 multiply a, 5a, plus sign, 5 multiply 2, 5 2s are 10, 10b, minus 5 multiply c, 5c. Okay, now we will subtract 3a minus 3b plus 3c from 5a plus 10b minus 5c. Okay, and we will use column method. Okay, so first we will write the polynomial 5a plus 10b minus 5c. Okay, 5a plus 10b minus 5c. Okay, and thereafter we will write this polynomial below this polynomial, but we will write like terms below the like terms. Okay, means 3a we will write below 5a, minus 3b we will write below 10b, and plus 3c we will write below minus 5c. Okay, because we are doing subtraction, so we will put here negative sign. In subtraction, the sign of this expression will change. Okay, so here 3a is positive, so it will convert negative sign. Here 3b is negative, so it will convert positive sign, and here 3c is negative, so it will convert negative sign. Okay, so now we have to remember only these sign. Okay, means ki 3a is negative, 3b is now positive, and 3c is negative. Okay, so 5 minus 3, 2, and other factor will remain as it is, so it will 2a. Okay, and here 10 plus 3, 13, so it will 13b. Okay, and here minus 5 and minus 3, so both the number are having same sign, so first we will add and put the common sign, so it will minus 8c. Okay, so the answer we have got 2a plus 13b minus 8c. Okay, so I think question number 6 D part is clear to all of you. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. This is all about the today class, and the students please complete this classwork. Okay.